Hey everyone, are you paying €20 a month for ChatGPT? What if I told you? You can run AI for free, right on your own computer, with no subscription, no internet, and no data going to anyone. Let me show you how. Most AI tools charge you every single month. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, it adds up fast. And even when you pay, your data still goes to their servers. Every prompt you type, every file you upload, they see it. But here's the thing, you don't need any of that. You can run a powerful AI model completely offline, on your own laptop. No subscription. No data leaving your computer. Totally free and super quick to set up. The tool is called Ollama. It's free, open source, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let me walk you through the whole setup right now. You only need two things. First, Ollama. It's a free app that lets you download and run AI models locally. Think of it like a Netflix for AI, but free, and it runs on your machine. Second, a free AI model. I'm going to use Google's Gemma 4 today. It's one of the best free models available right now, and it runs smoothly even on a regular laptop. No GPU required for the basic version. No technical skills. Just follow along. Step 1, download Ollama. Go to ollama.com, click download, and choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. The installer is small and takes about 30 seconds. Once it's installed, Ollama runs in the background. You'll see a small icon in your taskbar. That means it's ready. So to recap, Ollama is free. Gemma 4 is free. Your data stays on your computer. No subscription, no data leaks, no monthly bill. Just fast, private AI running on your own machine. If you're a freelancer, a student, or just someone who doesn't want to pay €20 a month for AI, this is the setup for you. So next time you're about to pay for an AI subscription, remember, ollama.com, free and private, just like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more free AI tools. See you in the next one.